For guys, some gadgets are absolute must-have. Whether it's to make fixing things around the house easier or trekking around in the great outdoors, there's just some stuff you need to get your hands on. There is a lot of guy stuff that doesn't get attention, but you don't need to worry about that anymore. Even if you want to just relax after a long day and have a chill drink in peace, there's something for you too. Here's a list of the 12 coolest gadgets for men on Amazon. Number 12. WALLOR 2.0. We all accidentally lose our wallets from time to time. But with the WALLOR 2.0, you won't have to worry about that anymore. It's a smart wallet fitted with a GPS tracking system, so if you lose it, you can easily find it with your phone. It even has augmented reality that makes finding your phone fun. In addition to that, it has RFID protection for your sensitive cards to keep you safe from identity theft and card scanning. It also has a 1500 milliamp power bank that can charge your phone wirelessly on the go. The best part is that you don't have to worry about losing your phone anymore either. If you can't find your phone, just press the button on your wallet and it'll make the phone ring loudly, even if it's been kept on silent. Number 11. Survival Kit 24-in-1. There's nothing more magnificent than the great outdoors, but nothing more inconvenient than being unprepared for them. With this survival kit, you won't have to worry about that. It has hiking and camping tools for every need. 24 of them to be exact. It comes with a sharp foldable knife, climbing hooks, a powerful flashlight, an emergency blanket, and many other useful tools. It even has this cool multi-purpose spork that can be used as a spoon, fork, wrench, or a bunch of other things. It even has a fire starter that's fitted with a whistle. Your backpack won't be complete for any camping or hiking trip without this amazing survival kit. Number 10. INCHARGE 6 Universal Cable Connector. The days of carrying around a tangle of cables for all your charging needs are over. The INCHARGE 6 is a small device that fits into your keyring, but is actually a charging cable for everything. It has 6 different cables, including a USB-C, micro USB, and others. It even allows you to connect different devices together. So if you can't find a convenient socket, you can just charge using your friend's phone. This cool gadget is super durable too, so don't worry about dropping it if you're clumsy. It also looks small, but the cable gives you 5 whole meters of mobility. Number 9. Tiny Survival Card. We've shown you a whole survival kit, but you can't carry that around every day. But this tiny survival card can be carried in your pocket and is really useful. This small thing has 17 tools and is made to fit snugly in your wallet. It has a mini knife, a dual-edged saw, sewing needles, tweezers, and a bunch of other useful tools. All the tools stay attached to the credit card shaped holder through the power of magnets. With this tool, you can enjoy the great outdoors or get some work done in the house too. Number 8. Rolling knee skates. If you're a hands-on man who finds himself working on all fours often, you may be familiar with how that can strain the knees. That's why we're here to show you YouTube rolling knee skates. They're like skates, but for your knees. They each have a 3-wheeled base and have a 360-degree turn capability. They're fitted with gel pads that distribute the pressure evenly, while molding to the shape of your knees to maximum comfort. If you don't want to roll around, then you can just detach the knee blades and use the knee pads alone. Whether it's fitting tiles or plumbing, this is essential for comfort. Number 7. Plasma lighters. Meet the lighters of the future. You won't need to burn any fuel with these. These lighters use lasers to light up your cigarettes, and they're windproof too. The curve detects your fingers and lights up the laser for you. They charge conveniently with a micro USB charger. They're available in many sleek colors and finishes. This is probably a great gift for your friends who smoke. Number 6. Hair and beard straightener. Wild, coarse beard hair can ruin your sleek look. The hair and beard straightener takes care of that for you. Its bristles grip coarse beard hair, and they're safe to use, so don't worry about damaging your skin or hair. The straightener comes with 8 temperature settings, and you can brush as close to the root as you want to tame that tangled beard and make it look elegant and classy. It can be charged with a USB-C cable and is small and easily portable. So if you're flying off to a meeting and are worried about your beard misbehaving, just run the hair and beard straightener through it and you're good to go. Number 5. BAKSHAVE. Removing hair from the trickier parts of your body can be, well, tricky. It's hard to reach some places on your back, so that's why if you want a smooth shave all over without accidental cuts, you need to get yourself the BAKSHAVE. Its ergonomic S-shaped handle allows you to reach back and shave over the parts you previously couldn't reach. It uses disposable blades that are easily available. It's even easy to carry around. It folds down and has a retractable design that makes it convenient for traveling too. Now you can have a perfectly shaved body no matter where you go. Number 4. Whiskey Stone Set. If you want to have your whiskey neat, you'll have to skip the ice or risk diluting it. But then how do you keep it from going warm? Whiskey stones, of course. These cubes are made of stainless steel and look really classy. The best part, obviously, is that they don't melt. Their case keeps them clean and secure while in the freezer. And when you're having your whiskey after a long day, you can just pop them in and enjoy it ice cold. It's good for wine and bourbon too, and definitely great for impressing your guests. Number 3. Evo Shaver. This small portable shaver gives you a clean look on the go. It has a super thin blade mesh that gives a close shave while keeping you safe from cuts. It's portable and great for people who travel often. But don't worry, the travel lock mode will keep it from accidentally getting turned on and shaving your clothes. The blade mesh is removable and easy to clean. One charging on this thing can give you up to 15 shaves. Next time you're worried about stubble as you're running late, keep this cool gadget at hand. Number 2. Universal Socket Grip. It can be a hassle to fit so many nuts and screws. But this universal socket grip is here to make your life loads easier. It attaches to power drills and wrenches. You won't need to search for the right socket for each bolt head. It can grip just about anything, from hexagonal nuts to hooks and screws. It's self-adjusting in the range of 1 inch to 3/4 of an inch. The torque is also over 125 pounds. The power drill adapter is included with your purchase. This durable and self-adjusting tool is the perfect addition to your toolbox. Number 1. GARMIN FENIX 6. This is the watch that adventurous people need in their lives. It has a sleek design and can be worn anywhere, whether you're trekking or at a dinner party. It has a heart rate and pulse ox sensor that gives you detailed updates about your health. The Dynamic Pace Pro helps you run efficiently, and the GPS lets you track your location with pinpoint accuracy. It's actually excellent for people who love adventure. It comes preloaded with 6 maps for more than 2,000 ski resorts. Its rechargeable lithium battery lasts for 14 hours on smartwatch mode, 10 hours on GPS mode, and 8 days in battery saver mode. It can store up to 2,000 songs and all the apps you need. You can pair it with your smartphone and tablet and receive emails on it as well. Made of sleek stainless steel, this is the gadget that you want on your wrist if you're an adventure junkie. Alright, comment below which of these gadgets you want to grab first. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.